Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the slow internet on any Android phone in less than 1 minute. So first thing you want to do guys is open the settings and then go into the apps manager. Open the apps. On this page you will find all the apps, so you have to click on the apps that you are not using. For example, I'm going to choose this Google Meet app. So what you want to do now is click on data usage and disable all those network access options right here like this, and then you have to go back, click on this force stop, and do this with all the apps that you are not using. After that, go back into the settings again, click on the wireless and networks, and then go into the Wi-Fi and turn it off and on again. And if you are using the mobile data, click on it and disable it and enable it again, and make sure that you are using the 4G or the 5G. Don't forget to like, subscribe.